The Nordstrandische Island Railway, or simply Lorenbahn to the locals, is a state-owned, non-public, 2.2-mile railway that runs through 10 tiny islands off the northwest coast of Germany. Despite being designated as a non-public rail line, residents of the Halligen Islands do travel through it on their own personal wagons nonetheless. Another curious thing about this place is the way residents acquire their own private wagons. There aren't any wagon dealerships after all, at least none that we know of. So, how do you get your hands on a personal train wagon? Good old German engineering. Yes, they actually build their wagons themselves. Initially, they only built hand cars equipped with small masts for that extra wind boost. But nowadays, they mostly use diesel-powered wagons. You might be wondering if you need a license to operate these wagons. And they do actually require residents to be 15 years old and above, and to have at least a moped driver's license before they're allowed on the railway. Of course, with such lax regulations, visibility is of utmost importance, despite such a small population. Which is why if you ever visit Nordstrandische Island, you'll find the locals wearing railway high-visibility clothing quite regularly.